Hello mga kapitbahay! So for today's video, pag-usapan natin magkano nga ba yung nagagastos kapag nagpapa-change oil or oil change ng motor. So as you can see naman guys, I do have vlogs where I use talaga the motorcycle like on a daily basis if I can and if nakikisama ang weather. So with me always using it, of course, kailangan mini-maintain din natin siya. So, for those people who are like wants to have a motorcycle or wants to purchase a motorcycle, ito yung I can say na talagang gagastusin mo from time to time in order to maintain your motorcycle. Ito naman yan sa gamit mo kung gaano mo siya kadalas papalitan, especially yung brake pads, but hindi naman siya ganon kadalas. You can say talaga na sobrang laki ng difference niya when maintaining, compared to when you're maintaining a car or kaya naman an SUV. Of course, syempre, mas malaki, mas mahal, mas maraming parts na pinapalitan. Hindi ko na video yung last na PMS niya. Yun talaga mas maraming pinalitan, and pag nakita ko yung receipt nun, I will maybe make another video for that. But for the meantime, ito lang muna. Last week, nagpa-oil change ako ng aking motor sa, of course, Shell C5 extension. So, the reason na dun ako nagpapa-oil change is that, syempre, yung place, of course, pag nag-aantay ka, you're comfortable, may aircon, may CR ka, you have your TV, you can lounge there. So, ayun. Okay, punta muna tayo sa oil na pinapalit ko. Avail kong oil is yung Advance Long Ride. It costs 471 pesos only. Of course, sa Shell kasi, if you do have the app, for yung parang membership, it accumulate points, and also it would give you a 10% discount kapag meron kang app sa oil. Okay? So, malaking tipid na rin yun. So, nakalas ako ng 47.10 pesos with the oil. Now, punta naman tayo sa labor. Labor is only 50 pesos. Now, nakita nila kasi na medyo, hindi lang medyo, actually pudpud na yung aking brake pads. Kaya, pinapalitan ko na rin. Brake pads nila cost 200 pesos only, and the replacement labor is only 150 pesos. So, in total, less the discount, yung binayaran ko lang for oil change of my motorcycle is 823.90 pesos. Also, hindi na rin pala kailangan ng oil filter ng aking motor. Kaya less na rin yon sa kailangan kong i-purchase. And wala na rin kasi silang promo ngayon nung pag nagpa-oil change ka sa kanila is may free motor wash. Nag-apply na lang to sa car wash. Kaya, in-avail ko na kasi mura lang naman yung motor wash sa kanila. Only 100 pesos. And kasi hindi na-apply ni ate yung points ko beforehand. Like, hindi niya din-discount doon sa una kong purchase. Kaya, since pahabol na lang tong motor wash. Ayun, motor wash was 100 pesos. However, meron akong accumulated points of 100. Basta i-multiply ko to sa 2. Ang mangyayari kasi, 50 cents, 0.50 cents. 1 point is equivalent to 0.50 cents. So, ang total points ko or na-redeem ko is 73.5 pesos. So, ang binayaran ko na lang sa car wash or motor wash is 76.5 pesos. That's it, guys. Ginamitan ko rin pala to ng aking Metrobank credit card. So, reliable. And sa interested na magkaroon ng Metrobank credit card, it has a lot of perks, guys. So, maybe I'll be doing a separate video for that. But if you want to apply for a credit card, you may want to use my link or my referral code down below. Thanks for watching. If you want more contents like this, please do like and follow.